Welcome to this video. We'll be talking about measures of central tendency. We'll be talking about statistical concepts, and as part of this, measures of central tendency, for example, the arithmetic mean, the median, and the mode. So let's look at those numbers. 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, 8, and the number 7 3 times, which gives us the following. The arithmetic mean is computed the following way. You need to add x sub I from the first value, from x sub 1 to the last one, to x sub n, and then multiply by a fraction, by the fraction of n over 1, which gives us the following: the fraction of n over 1, n of 1 over n, multiplied by x sub 1 plus x sub 2, and so on, to x sub n, which in this case would be just 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5, and so on. You don't need to put those numbers into order at all. You just add them, you just get the sum, you just multiply with n over 1, which is 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1, and so on, which is 6, 10, 11, 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 3 times 7 is 24 plus 21, 45, 45 divided by 9, so it's 1 over 9 multiplied by 3 plus 3, and so on, and 1 over 9 multiplied by 45, which is 5. So the arithmetic mean, the mean, to put it this way, of those numbers is 5. It is equal to 5. We don't need to put those numbers into any order at all. Just add them and multiply the sum with the fraction of n over 1. So, talking about the mode is the most frequent value. The most frequent value in this case is equal to 7, because we have the number of 7 3 times, whereas the number of 3 appears only twice. So the number 7 is equal to the mode, and it's a sample with one mode only. Like, imagine you had the number 5 3 times as well. There'd be 3 fivers and 3 times the number 7, which would be the mode wouldn't be there wouldn't be one single mode, but there would be 2 modes. So that would be a different story. So talking about the last one, the last measure of central tendency is the median, and here we need to take a different look. The median is computed this way. We first need to put those numbers into order, starting from the very smallest number and going up to the largest one, or the other way around, like starting with the largest number and going down to the smallest, which would be, in this case, 1, 3, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7, and then the number of 8. And let's, oh, I forgot the 4. So once again, so it is 5, it is 4, it is 3, 3, and 1. Let's take a look. Are those 9 numbers or not? So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is true now. So that's the sample again, but put into a different order. So the median is just the number in the middle. It is just the number in the middle, and that's it, which is the number of 5, because to the right of the median there's 4 numbers, and to the left as well. To the left of the number 5 there are 4 numbers as well. To the left 4 numbers, to the right 4 numbers, which means that the median is in the very center of this sample of those numbers. So, which is true, because we have an odd number of values. We have 9 numbers. So imagine we had 10 numbers. Imagine we had 10, which means an even value of numbers. It would be more difficult, because, like, imagine we had the number 9. We had the number 9 as well. I can put it here. So we would have the number 9 here as well, which means that the number 5 is no more in the middle, because there is no middle if we had an even number of values. The middle would be those values, because to the right of this number 7 there'd be 4 numbers, and to the right of the 5 there'd be 4 numbers as well. So 5 and 7 are in the very center of those numbers, meaning that we get the arithmetic mean of those two values, and which is 6, of course. And so we'd say that the median is itself 6. So if we had an even number of values, we'd have to compute the median using the arithmetic mean, because it would be a bit harder. That's it, and that's it when talking about standard concepts of measures of central tendency, which means the arithmetic mean, the median, and the mode. That's it for now about statistical concepts and about here those standard concepts of measures of central tendency. Thank you for watching.